and we're glazing our pots, and it's really smoky. It smells like things are being burnt. We're done.
No.
Yeah.
That's Miss Worthy. Hi. Wave to the second grade. And you're going to see over here that he's using a simple machine to carry pottery. So, Miss Elizabeth, will you explain to second graders what you guys are doing out here?
We are doing Raku glaze firing, which is a type of pottery firing, and you get beautiful metallic finishes on the pottery. It's given a chance what they are going to look like.
Ah, wow. So why did we use small pots like this? What's the...
That's one
with paper in them.
with paper. That's when you put the... Yeah, hold on. You put the stuff in there and then snuff out the oxygen, and that creates a chemical reaction, and you get beautiful glazing that way.
Wow, thank you.
Welcome.
Turn on the propane gas, and the kiln will heat up to 2,000 degrees in about a half an hour.
Wow. Miss Banker, what makes this so special versus the kiln upstairs?
This has to be done outside because when you take the sculptures out of the kiln, you have to put them in a bucket of paper, and the hot ceramic pieces light up the bucket of paper and set it on fire, which reduces the oxygen in the container. The reduced oxygen gives you fantastic glaze solutions.
Thank you, Miss Banker.
Thank you, Miss Green.
I'm Miss Banker. I know we're in your classroom now.
Yes, we are.
So I know that we just hand dipped these into different glazes.
Yes.
And so I have a couple questions for my students.
Okay.
From my students, I should say. What's first? Why do we need to put wax on the pottery after they are fired once? And two, what are the different glazes that we have?
So after they're fired once, that's called a bisque fire, then we dip the bottom of the cup in wax and we let that dry.
That's Billy's. Okay.
Then what we can do is just take the cup and dip it in the bucket of glaze and pull it out, and it's all ready to go. Now this bucket is clear crackle, which looks like white with little cracks in it. It's really pretty, kind of antique-y looking. This bucket is blue-green, which is a turquoisey color.
And I see some of ours have been dipped in that.
These have been dipped in that color. And the third bucket is copper glaze, which is this group. And that can either be copper like a penny or sort of like aged copper with a greenish patina on it.
Wow. And so what you're saying is each of the glazes reacts differently when they're fired in that special Raku.
Right.
What if
When the oxygen is reduced, each glaze has a different reaction to that environment.
And what if you were to put these into a regular kiln? Will they have the same effect?
No, it would not have the same effect. It would be much more plain. It wouldn't have the exciting differences on the surfaces in color.
Wow. Okay. So see, boys and girls, all of your work takes a long time, but it's well worth being patient. And if you see Mrs. DeFore's cup, we dipped it in crackle, so hopefully hers will have that antique-y effect when we put it in the special firing